Hey there, today I'm going to show you a quick and inexpensive way to clean your dirty makeup brushes. What I like to use to clean my brushes is shampoo and a little bit of conditioner. What I have here are packets of samples of shampoos and conditioners that I would have previously used for traveling, but that's not happening anytime soon, and I've recently discovered that this makes an excellent product for cleaning makeup brushes. And adding the conditioner makes the bristles of the makeup brushes super soft. So what I've done is I've taken a packet of a sample of shampoo and conditioner that I'm not going to use on my hair, poured it into a bowl with warm water, about 3/4 the way full. So what I like to do is take my makeup brushes and just line them up sort of around the bowl. Now I used to wash them individually with dishwasher detergent. Okay, so this takes a little bit of practice here. And I just find that it just takes too long and it's just annoying, right? And anything that is quick and easy that I could just leave to soak, and I find it so much better and easier to do that way. So you just line them up around the bowl like that. And then what I do is I just leave that for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come and rinse them off and then let them dry. So my makeup brushes have been soaking for about 20 minutes now, and you can see the makeup coming off those brushes in the water. So what I'm going to do now is rinse them and just lay them to dry. So I'm going to take each brush individually and just rinse them really quickly under warm water. See how nice and clean they came out? Looks brand new. So let them dry for about, I don't know, a few hours, but I don't usually use them same day. If you can do it and leave them overnight, that's perfect. And then you're good to go. Clean makeup brushes.